Feeling tired or fatigued all the time can be caused by a variety of factors, both physical and psychological. Here are some common reasons. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep quality. Inadequate or poor quality sleep is one of the most common reasons for fatigue. This could be due to insomnia, sleep apnea, or restless sleep. The recommended amount of sleep for most adults is 7 to 9 hours per night. Poor diet. Nutritional deficiencies. A diet lacking essential nutrients like iron, vitamin D, and B vitamins can lead to fatigue. Iron deficiency anemia, for example, reduces the amount of oxygen that your blood can carry, leading to tiredness. High sugar and refined carbs. Diets. High in sugar and refined carbohydrates can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to feelings of tiredness and energy slumps. Dehydration. Insufficient water intake. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration, which often causes fatigue. Even mild dehydration can impact your energy levels and cognitive function. Lack of physical activity. Not getting enough exercise can make you feel more tired. Regular physical activity can boost your energy levels by improving cardiovascular health and increasing the efficiency of oxygen delivery throughout the body. Chronic stress. Mental and emotional strain from ongoing stress can lead to mental and physical exhaustion. Stress triggers the release of hormones like cortisol, which can disrupt sleep and cause fatigue. Underlying health conditions. Medical issues such as hypothyroidism, diabetes, chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, and heart disease can all lead to persistent fatigue. An underactive thyroid, for example, slows down your metabolism, leading to tiredness. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea cause interruptions in sleep, leading to excessive daytime fatigue. Mental health issues. Depression and anxiety. These mental health conditions can cause both physical and emotional fatigue. Depression in particular is often associated with persistent tiredness and lack of energy. Medication side effects can be a hidden cause of fatigue. Some prescription and over-the-counter drugs like antihistamines, antidepressants, and blood pressure medications have side effects that include drowsiness and fatigue. Chronic infections can also be a significant factor. Infections and immune response, such as from Epstein-Barr virus or long-term inflammatory conditions, can lead to ongoing fatigue as the body's immune system is constantly activated. Lifestyle factors play a crucial role in how you feel. Poor sleep hygiene, like irregular sleep schedules, excessive caffeine or alcohol intake, and screen time before bed, can all disrupt your sleep patterns, leading to fatigue. If you're feeling tired all the time, it's essential to evaluate your sleep habits, diet, exercise routine, and stress levels. If the fatigue persists, it might be necessary to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Making lifestyle changes such as improving your diet, staying hydrated, managing stress, and ensuring you get enough sleep can significantly improve your energy levels. Please subscribe to my channel to get a quick prompt when I post the next video.